So we're going to learn about the function in Arduino programming. So first we're going to open Arduino IDE here. So the moment you open Arduino IDE, you will see this is what you're going to see at first. So all your code inside void setup, this function will run only for one time, and all of the code inside this void loop function will run repeatedly. So for today, we are going to create our own function to make it run inside the loops. So the function is we need to call out to use, then only they will run. This thing you can just delete. Double slash. Double slash means this is for the single command line. So we're going to comment. What we're going to do is pin2 to pin 5. Okay, so Arduino digital pin from pin 2 to pin 5 we declare as output. So we're gonna write pin mode pin 2 output semicolon. You must put the semicolon. Double slash. Double slash means for the single line comment. So after the double slash, all of this line is not affected to the code. This let the user know that what is this line for, what is we are doing in this code. So double slash pin 2 we're going to use as LED pin. So I'm gonna make red LED, and pin 2 to pin 5 we declare. So you can just make it a copy here, copy and paste, but you have to edit pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, and the LED. What color of LED you use? I'm going to pin 2 is red, pin 3 yellow, pin 4 is green, pin 5 is blue. So this void setup function we declare all the pin as the output, and so the void loop function you can just delete this one or you can deny, it's up to you, but I just delete this, make it clear. So here what I'm going to do is red LED on off, yellow you can just make it copy, so we'll make it faster. Just edit the color, and you can paste one more times. So for this void loop function, we're going to run at the LED red on off, yellow on off, green on off, blue on off. Then we'll come back from yellow on off, green on off, green. So we're going to create our own function right here. We're going to write our own function. So void function red fun is for the function, red. So red function red LED on off. Okay, since this is what the function of the red LED on off, so digital write pin 2 hide, delay So digital write, that means so digital write pin 2, this is pin 2, height, which means on, and delay is for the timing delay. We're gonna put 1000 millisecond digital write. Pin 2, oh, delay. So this is what we already create our own function right here. So void function, red LED on off. So on off, digital write, pin 2 height, which means you can make it comment here, red LED is on. On. Then here is wait for 1 second. Off. Wait for 1 second. So this is the function inside where we create, and we have 4 LED color, red, yellow, green, blue. You can just make it a copy this one. You can copy, paste the red, yellow, red, yellow. So here you have to edit, you have to edit the first pin first, pin number 2, pin number 3. So same goes to you paste one more time, paste one more time, because we have 4 LED color. So red, yellow, here gonna be green. That is the pin number 4. Pin number 4. Blue LED. So that's the pin number 5. Is the pin number 5. And here is blue LED. So this is all the function where we create. So all this, the function we created, the function we need to put into the void loop function here. So then our code will be run. So here we don't have to write separately here anymore. So what we're going to do here is function red LED on off. You can just make copy and you paste inside the void loop. Then put a semicolon. Here red, yellow, yellow, and here red, yellow, green, but you must put the semicolon here. This one, red, yellow, green, put a semicolon, then yellow LED on off. you can just copy from this one now and over here, and this one is green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, blue. Or this one you add it to the blue, blue, and this one is a yellow, correct? So the green, put all the balance right here. So our own function we run into the void loops. So this is what we're gonna create our own function. So now let's run the code to our Arduino board. So this is my Arduino board, and pin number 2, digital pin number 2 is connected to 220 ohm resistor right here, and pin number 3, 220 ohm resistor, pin number 4, 220 ohm resistor and a green color, pin number 5, 220 ohm resistor and blue color LED, and I take the ground pin from here. You can take the ground pin from here as well. So this ground pin connect to the last of the breadboard, which means all this line is for the ground line, connected all of the line here will be run red, yellow, green, blue, and I will pick from yellow and green, yellow, green, and the red will come back, red, yellow, green, blue, and yellow and green. So this is what we set on our function.